Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the review of the Keychron K2 V2 hot swappable. This is the blue switches edition, and the hot swappable means that you can remove the keycap and then remove the switch, so you can make it like half brown switches, half red or blue. You can do whatever you want. It has the white keycaps, as you can see right here, and the black ones. Here you have the black one or the orange. You can change them, they are inside the box. So you have a USB-C charging. The battery is not that great because if you have the RGB on, you might charge it like every week, every 2 weeks, something like that. And you have, let me show you, let me turn it upside down. Okay, so you have this, and you can do that as well, so it's very customizable. So let me change that as well. You have 18 modes of RGB. Okay, this one's great, and as you can see, it's very clicky. And as you can see right here, you have the Mac OS and Windows option, and Linux of course, and you have Bluetooth off and wired mode, so you can use a wire as well if you don't like the wireless mode, the Bluetooth mode. So the connectivity, it's great. I've seen better, like the Logitech MX keys, but it's not that bad. You can change, I believe you press the function key and 1, 2 and 3 to connect up to 3 devices, something like that. I don't remember how you connect a new device because I only use it for the MacBook Pro. So yeah, this was the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.